This is the elevator at the Taubman Art and Architecture Building on the U of M North Campus in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I'm with Jamestube.
Yeah, I got AR here.
8439. We have a Dover with Adam's buttons. Go ahead and press.
It's on 3.
It
It's
always
future
parks
map.
on 3.
2000 Boxing Boulevard.
And it's here. Now I'm going to press 3. We'll go to 1. Button lights up red.
Go to blue on the door track and there.
I like how art and architecture is engraved on the panel. And they pluralized the word art. It should be singular. Pretty
One is
bold.
barely lit up on the indicator. Let's take a second try now.
Now I'm going to press 3 and now the arrow will light up. And the door closes immediately.
The indicator for one is barely lit.
Despite the fan, this is a nice elevator. It runs well.
3500 pound capacity. Here's your serial number.
Send it to 1.
If you look at the shaft, you can see the Dover blue up there.
Yeah.
Huge indication that this is a Dover. Inside that door track as well.
Panel is loose a little bit. This is also loose.
It's this right here. Oh my gosh, look.
Some of the screws are missing.
Push that back in. That's not good.
And we'll send it to 3. And we'll listen. The door closes immediately.
Close immediately.
Similar to that one at the hospital. Can't really hear much.
Motor, so that could be it.
Bye-bye.